Hello, I'm gonna open Five-Star Hotel. I'll start with the L. Hi, my name is Louise. I'll be your counter today. Okay, what's your name? Russia. Okay, Russia. I'll go check if you have the name. Okay. Your room LPS. LPS? Yes, LPS. And this is your room key. Oh, thanks for the room key. And why is red? But LPS traditional color is red. Because I'm the manager. And why the manager used to be a counter? I thought they used to be working in an office. Oh, forget about it. Sadie! Yes. Yes. Yes, Louise. Sage? Yes. Louise, can you please help me take them to the room? LPS? Yes. Come on, follow me. Okay. LPS 1, LPS 2, LPS 3, LPS 4, LPS 5, LPS 6, LPS 7, LPS 8, LPS 9, and LPS and LPS S and LPS. You got the last one. And this is a magazine. You can call us. You need us. And have and this has a cafeteria. This is a menu cafeteria. You can go there and eat, or you can ask them serve in your hotel. Okay. When you want to serve, you need to wait for 20 minutes and then give money. Okay? Thank you guys for watching, and wait until part 2.